It's our fundamental right to come out and protest and agitate when we see that the country is not moving forward. What we are demanding is this. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should do the needful. He should fix Nigeria. Bag of rice is over 80,000. Where a common Nigerian cannot feed 3 times in a day. How can we be a slave in our own land?
We are here to protest of all the hardship, the enduring suffering of Nigerians. It's too much, and that is why we are here to protest and tell the government that he needs to calm down to his thinking, bring his thinking cap to put things right so that we will not suffer this suffering or bring an end to this suffering for us.